The bread man has arrived. Hello. Cool. So day 3 here in Sri Lanka. We have gotten up. We went for a run first thing in the morning. We have had breakfast. It is about 8:30 a.m. and now we are headed to Kite Surfing Lanka. That's who we're with. I'm going to put the link down below. And today will be my first day ever taking kite surfing lessons. Today will be Kim's probably 6th day ever taking kite surfing lessons. We're not taking them together because she is much more advanced than I am. She says nah, but she knows. Don't know how much video we'll have today. We're just going to be doing that. I do know tonight we're going to be going to an all-you-can-eat barbecue buffet dinner at the Kite Surfing Lanka Resort. And we're going to follow it up with a party. They're having a party. They say they have 52 people staying with them right now. A lot of foreigners. So we're going to be doing that as well. So those are probably the 2 things we'll share with you. Maybe some pre-setup at the kite surfing place. And hopefully in the next couple days, we can show you some successful kite surfing videos, meaning we're successful kite surfers. That one right there probably will do it. Me, we'll see. We'll see in a bit. We're here at Kite Surfing Lanka and we just got fitted for our harness. That's what that is right there. Do a little walk around real quick. What it looks like out front. So that's the area across the street. You can see we're pretty quiet area here. Here's what it looks like. They've got the trucks where they take you to the lagoons. And if you're ever coming here for lessons, you just head over this way. Somebody will meet you. There's Kim, all harnessed up. Wow, that's what they look like from behind. Oh. And then they got shoes. They've got helmets, boards, kites, harnesses, and everything. You can see they have a lot of stuff here. Getting your shoes, Kim?
Yep.
I'll give you a quick walk around real quick so you can see there's a restaurant, office. They've got lots of rooms here. They've got glamping, like tent setups. And it looks like a lot of bathrooms right there. That's where the kitchen staff is. What do you think of the landscape? Really nice, right? Looks like a shop. You can buy some things. Good morning. Maybe some villa type things, premium rooms. Good morning. And the restaurant right there. He said something about there being a bridge over here. I'm gonna go check it out. Sunset Bridge. Mangroves. I think this is where they have their party tonight that we're going to be attending, although the party starts at 9 p.m. which is like 2 hours after Kim and I's bedtime. A lot of everything at this place. Look, here's a Sunset Bar where they serve food, drinks. They have volleyball. They have outside seating. Then they have access over to the beach and the dunes. It's really cool. So this place is pretty awesome. Just a reminder, this is not where we're staying. But in a lot of ways, maybe I wish we were staying here, but we're not. So that's that. And I'm gonna head back now because we have about 5 minutes to walk over here. So it looks like they were loading up the truck while I was gone. Glad I didn't miss the truck. Hi, Kim. How are you?
Good.
You excited?
Good. I'm super excited.
Here's Paul. Where are you from, Paul?
I'm from France.
Paul's from France.
Yeah.
Guess what Paul has the luxury of doing today?
Yeah.
Working with me. I don't know, he must have drew the short straw, or he must have upset somebody. No. All right.
Of course not. We're gonna have fun together and we're gonna learn about kitesurf.
Cool, looking forward to it. Thank you.
I'm here in kitesurfing Lanka.
Okay.
We do some kite.
Great. How long have you been kite surfing?
I'm kitesurfing since 2016
Oh, wow.
and
Okay.
I teach from 2017.
Excellent.
Is that your instructor, Kim?
Yes.
What's his name?
That's Daddy.
Daddy?
Daddy.
Oh, I was like, there's only one person you call Daddy, and that ain't him.
Yeah, he's coming in.
A little bit of chaos, but we are on our way.
There they are.
Yes, this is our hut here, so we can put all our gear and extra stuff in there. Lots of sand. They have windmills over there, I wonder why. So there's Kim out there. She got the kite up. She's doing body drags right now. It's one of the skills you learn during training is body drag. So you're learning how to control the kite, getting dragged through the water. Left. Video her while she was doing her lessons because I was out there doing my lessons. So hopefully we get some good footage this week of each of us. But right now it looks like she's probably done and she's just walking backwards out of the water. Baby! Are you calling it quits? Oh, you're still going? Cool. Okay. Body drags? Cool. So I know it's windy, I don't know if you can hear me, but this is the Kalpitaya Lagoon. This is where all the beautiful, awesome kite surfing lessons take place. But look what's right on the other side of the sand dune. And that's open ocean to India. If you go that way, there's India over there. looks funny. Like we're on a safari or something. So we just got back to our room after our first kite surfing lesson, and we asked them to make up the room while we were gone. Let me show you what they did. How cool is that? They even used real flowers. And the lady here gives Kim real flowers every single morning.